everyone, and welcome to another Muse Kits What's in the Box. My name is Jake, and today we'll be going over what is in May's box. We got some really cool stuff this month, so let's hop down below and see what we got. Alright, opening up the box, you're going to get your brochure. Open it up and it'll give you an idea of what a Muse is. Flip to the next page and you'll get an introduction to this month's medium. Now flip to the next page and you will see all your tools that you're going to find in this month's box. Flip to the next page and you'll find the quick start guide to give you a starting idea on how to use these products. Flip to the next page and you're going to find this month's challenge prompts as well as the pointers on how to get the best results using these products. Flip to the next page and you will see your skill challenge guide to help you get a little extra challenge using these products. And then flip to the final page and you'll find everything that you need to do to get your lore points as well as images from our Muse community. Now the first item out of this box is the Muse Kit comic strip paper. This very smooth and heavyweight paper works well with a variety of medias including ink, markers, pencils, and more. The weight of this paper helps avoid any bleed through and buckling when it comes to using ink. Sized perfectly to create your own comic strips and change you from a comic strip lover to a comic strip creator. Now the next thing out of here is the A5 LED tracing light pad. This LED tracing pad is the perfect tool to help take your sketches and drawings to the next level. Use this pad to transfer any of your sketches onto a fresh piece of paper. With its sleek ultra thin design, this tracing pad can come with you anywhere you go. Alright, the next item out of here is the Sensation brush pen. Whether you're doing traditional lettering, illustrations, or manga, this zebra brush pen is the perfect tool for you, offering a deep and rich black color and a variety of line widths depending on the applied pressure that you use, and this is also water resistant once dry. Okay, next out of here we have the 6-inch metal triangular ruler. This aluminum 6-inch hollow drafting ruler is made from high quality extruded aluminum with ultra smooth edges. With its ergonomic design, this ruler is perfect for making crisp straight lines with ease. And the next thing we have out of here is the black illustration marker. The R alternative illustration markers combine vibrant, easy-flowing alcohol-based inks with dual nibs, making them ideal for coloring on canvas, paper, artboards, and many other surfaces. These markers are quick-drying, non-smearing, and feature both a brush and chisel nib for easy filling and precision coloring. Use this marker to fill in large areas with smooth and even applications. Alright, next we have out of here the metal drafting pencil. This all metal drafting pencil is ideal for drawing, sketching, and writing with its thick 2mm lead. This pencil also features an integrated push button sharpener to keep your lead sharp at all times. And next out of here we have the black pigment liner. This pigment liner produces a fine line ideal for illustration, technical drawing, sketching, crafting, and lettering. This liner will be the perfect tool to create your comic boxes and add fine details to your work. And next over here we have the Sky Blue Sensation Colored Mechanical Pencil. Easy to hold, colorful, and bold, Sensation mechanical colored pencils provide smooth, rich, vibrant colors that blend easily for shading and mixing. With its triangular barrel, it's really easy to hold and it provides excellent control while coloring and sketching. And this features a 2mm lead that is durable, long-lasting, and completely refillable. And the last two items out of here are the Spectrum Noir Colorista, Heroes of Manga, and Simply Natural. Let your inner comic book artist soar with the Colorista markers. The alcohol ink inside each pen produces flawless, ultra smooth coverage. The translucent nature of the ink means that you can overlay shades and blend hues together. Each set includes 5 bold colors and 6 exciting themed coloring pages to help you with your practice. But that is everything out of here except of course our sticker and candy, but let's get everything going and see what we create using these products. So when I was coming up with the idea for this comic, I pulled from my memories of some of the comics that I absolutely loved when I was a kid and tried building from that. I wanted this idea of it being at the beginning more of this detailed, more epic battle type scene, and then just slowly going into this idea of just basically this kid in the backyard having fun. These were always my favorite types of comic strips when I was younger. Now, keep in mind when you're using the markers in this box that these are alcohol based, so you are going to be able to blend with them, and our paper with this makes it even easier to do so. But I'm going to be quiet and let you all enjoy this, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is everything in May's box. These materials were a lot of fun to work with, but now it's your turn to see what you can create using the materials in this box. Now remember to check out the weekly challenge prompts in your brochure, as well as the weekly prompt videos each week on this channel. Complete all 4 of the weekly challenge prompts and post them to social media using hashtag MuseKits, or tag us at GetMuseKits to get your 500 Laurel points. Now make sure you subscribe and notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, and if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Gustafson Designs. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!